how you doing? I hope you're well. Been out kayak camping and I'm just ready for a cup of coffee. Time to get a little stove going. So this is the Biolite Campstove, and the reason I like it, or wanted to try it, is because it's a bit like the Mesa, the Solo Mesa stove that I've got, the tabletop one, in that it uses that double burn stuff to double burn technology to burn it off, but also you can use this one to charge your phone up and to generate a bit of electricity too, or to charge a power bank. So yeah, I quite like this. I'll get it going in just a second. I'll show you what comes in the box. You get a couple of little carry bags to put each piece in. There's some fire starters in there, instructions, a flex light, so you also get a cable light. Where is it? In here. So cable and a cable light which you can plug in to here when the stove's running, and you've got light over your cooking. Really good idea. Might try that out this morning actually, even though it's daylight, just to see if it works. So the way this works is the legs fold in, but the last leg here, this is where the battery attachment goes. So you slot that into there, put that little leg into there, and then that leg, as you pull that out, locks that into place. Now I've been using cat litter wood pellets for these type of stoves. Found it really good. About 3 handfuls is what I put in there, and you can see I haven't gone right to the top, and I've left space between the air holes in there, the internal holes, fan holes, and the top of the wood. Now I haven't used the fire starters that this comes with yet, so let's have a look, see what these are like. These look like they're just compressed wood, perhaps with a bit of fuel on or something. A bit cakey. I'll just take one off, pop it in the top. So this is a top-down fire. That's lit. So that's going in there. What will happen when that reaches enough heat is the fan will kick in automatically. So the fan has just kicked in. Now what you've got on here is, this is the strength of the battery, because this houses a 3,200 milliamp hour battery in its own right. That's the fan strength, which you can see is on 1, and that's the fire strength, which is on low at the moment. Behind here you've got a USB out, and then you've got an on-off switch there, and you can use that to power up the fan and add more speed to it to make the fire burn hotter, or depending on the type of wood you're using. The thicker the wood, the higher you want that fan working really. So we'll just leave that to get going. You can see it's still smoking a bit at the moment. Kind of want it to get to the smokeless point. I should maybe add, because I haven't said it yet, the whole idea of the fan is it's circulating air in there. The whole idea being to encourage the fire to burn, so you get a nice hot flame for easy cooking. While this is just getting going, I just thought I'd test the light out. So I've plugged it in to the bottom of here, and it's got like a little touch thing at the back. How cool is that? Right, it's starting to take off now. I think you can see in there the little plumes coming out of the jets, the little air jets. And the whole idea of that is it's to create a more smokeless fire, because it burns off the smoke. So it's time to get the kettle on. Yep, I think that's boiling. I started setting this up and recording this video at 8 o'clock, and it's now 8:15. So yes, I have been fanning around a little bit while I've been recording the video. But it hasn't taken long to kind of get this water going. For a nice cup of coffee. Oh yeah. Anyway, the point is, I'm really enjoying this little stove. I think it's a cracking idea. I'll show you it packed up in a minute. I was about to wrap the video up there. So while I've got this burning, I thought I might as well just see what it's like charging stuff up. So I've plugged my power bank in, and as you can see, that's going. I'll see what that's like when it's burnt out. Let's just have a look at these lights. I think you can see the fire strength one is on 3, the fan is still on 1, and this is on 4, I think it is. Right, 8:45. The fan is still going, but this has pretty much burnt out now. What is nice about this is you can actually pick it up and move it without burning your hands when it's been on. It's warm, but it's not damaging to the touch. Looking at the charger, that's gone up a couple of percent. This is a particularly hefty power bank at about 3,200, 3,800 milliamp hours. So I wouldn't expect it to have gone up much, but at least we know that that's working. I'm gonna let it cool down and then pack it away. All right, so all this has cooled down now. So fold the legs under, take that apart, and then it comes with two bags. It comes with a smaller bag to slot this into, and then a slightly larger bag that this slots into, and then this slots into there. It's not bad, right? It's quite compact. Nice work, Biolite. So this is the Biolite Campstove 2. I got this on Amazon. It was on an offer at the time. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out, and in the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.